Guys. Something came in for the TC, and it's not what you guys think. I understand you guys think it's C-bond and you think it's my hood, but guess what? We're going full carbon fiber. Yeah, we are. At the vented fenders. We gotta move quick though. We gotta load this up into the back of the girlfriend's car and take it down to get PPF'd. Let's go do it. Guys, it is officially a couple days later, and I'm obviously standing right next to the fenders, or at least one of them. The other one is downstairs in the basement. I only need one for this diagram. The reason why we had a rush on Friday, actually, is that I waited all day for these to get in, and I hit up Disguise FX, Malibu Detailing, and I said, listen, I need these fenders PPF'd, and what are the chances I can get it done pretty much in a weekend. The goal was to install it yesterday, which was Monday. Today is currently Tuesday. I was able to get it back on Monday. However, 4th of July was this weekend, and it was a little bit on the cool end for me, and I was able to drink and have fun. I'm officially engaged, so there's that. And there's just so much going on this weekend. Monday was just a nice day to cut everything out, clean up the house a little bit, and just relax. So I wasn't going to install the fenders yesterday. Now, you would think I would install them today. It looks nice outside. However, there's a huge storm coming, supposedly, and I started looking at this before, and this definitely seems a little bit more than what it would be expected. It's a little bit more, but obviously we knew this. Okay. So, goes to show that we have the holes here. I don't know what the clip entails for the bumper, but right here, obviously, we need a clip. There is 1, 2, 3 holes right here. I'll show you what those are on here. So we have the 1, 2, 3 holes. We have 2 more right there. There is a bolt mount all the way back there, so obviously this entire cowl is going to have to come out, which might not be a bad thing. It's definitely showing its age, so just to take that out, it's probably going to, I don't know what it entails, but we're going to take that out, paint it, well, like what we do with the bumper, or yeah, the rear bumper, paint it, and this way we'll have access to all of this. I really wish I had the hood to do this all at once, but at this rate, the hood's not going to be here for ages. So, yeah. Back to the fence. Look at that. I can't wait. I can't wait to see what this looks like on the car. Obviously, this vent right here is going to do absolutely nothing because I'm leaving the wheel well in there. I live in the Northeast, so I'm leaving it in there. So we got this piece right here. Not sure if there's anything on the top. There definitely looks like there's like an indent right there. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to drill it out until we get onto the car just to make sure before I obviously cut anything I don't need. But yeah. So we got that right here. Looks strong enough. This one right here is actually in an interesting spot. And just so you're aware, these three holes right here do absolutely nothing. And obviously, I can't see without taking out the side skirt, but obviously the side skirt is going to go here somewhere, and I have to kind of mold it up and make sure it fits properly. That's going to take some time, and there's obviously the stuff on the inside. So there's 1, 2, 3. There's right here and right here. Funny story is, these two right here, I completely rubbed through on the OEM fender, so there's really no point of, yeah. And then there's obviously this one. This one feels very, very flimsy. We'll see how it is. It's meant to take this, the plastic piece that has the screw, so you can twist it, screw it in there, and obviously the clip for the fender, for the bumper. Back to the car. So as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys would actually be able to tell, but there is a clip right here, a clip right here. There's supposed to be 2 clips, one here and one here-ish. Like I said, I basically completely rubbed through them all the way. So there's that, and obviously the screw right here. I don't know what happened there. That's probably when when the bumper came off. As you realize it's sagging now. That's a funny story, actually. Anyway, into the car. And what I mean by in the car, I mean towards the door jamb. So there's one right here. That's an easy one to get to. That's actually, we did the fenders on Alex's car because Alex's front fender was all messed up. This is so much easier to get to than Alex's. Now the interesting one is going to be that one right back there. That, we're going to have to come at it from the other side, which means the entire car has to get jacked up. The wheel, the liner is going to have to come completely out, and I hope I can get that foam out of there because that foam is definitely going to prevent me from getting to that. So, let's recap. To recap, the reason why this is not happening today, and it's actually not going to happen in this video, it's going to be in a different video. It just makes sense. We'll just do a full installation video on this. Bumper definitely needs to come off. Headlights definitely need to come out because obviously this screw right here, I don't know if there is a clip or what needs to go right there. It definitely feels like there's a plastic clip behind there, so we're gonna have to get the clip and move the clip over to the fender. I ordered special grinding tools so we can just simply grind it out just enough where it will pop in. These two screws right here, this entire cowl is gonna have to come out because of where this bolt right here is. We have to see if there is a bolt here, if there's a plastic piece there, what this is. We have the bolt up here. We have to take out the entire fender liner, so wheels coming off. Maybe what we'll do is wheels come off. What I'll probably end up doing is I'll probably end up driving with just this wheel setup for the beginning. Anyway, so the wheel fender's coming out. The foam piece that's in there comes out. Take the bolt out, and there we go. Then the fender comes off, and that's where the real magic happens. Like I said, that's happening in another video. Something I did notice is that my hood, the other side of it, is getting a little bit messed up right there, and then I look down, and my bash bar, or not my bash bar, the strut bar, is getting a little bit messed up. So maybe what I'll do, okay, is this winter, that comes off, the car guy's garage coil pack cover will come off, because obviously next year I want to be able to spruce up the engine bay a little bit more. I have all the hoses we got to do. Maybe we'll do it this year, but that piece will come off and get powder coated, and maybe what I'll do is I'll get this powder coated as well. And I'm in talks with trying to get the updated HPS heat shield, because there wasn't one when I bought one. There's a heat shield now. I'm trying to get that ordered as well. So this way the engine bay will be somewhat clean. Obviously, stock headers, I don't think I'm ever going to change that, and all the rust and other stuff like that. Still need to see if I can get somebody to make something custom for that. If you are somebody and you know you can do some custom work, I can try to make out a cardboard cutout for you guys so you guys can figure it out. Or if you know a good OEM plus overflow tank that I can get, let me know. Put it down in a link in the description, or send me a DM at my Instagram, where I can get it. But yeah, that. So yeah, it's already starting to get a little bit cloudy out now, and the wind is starting to pick up some more. So I'm definitely glad I didn't even try to start this today, because I would have been pissed if I had my bumper off and I finally got everything off, and then it starts to rain. And it's my girlfriend's birthday, or my fiance's birthday, I should say. I'm gonna have to get used to saying that. My fiance's birthday. No, it's not Alex, as much as everybody would think it is. Alex is not my fiance. You'll have to meet her eventually. Maybe what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna teach her how to drive manual in TC, and maybe we can convince her to get a manual daily because she needs a new car in October. Maybe we'll do that. That's how we'll introduce you guys. Anyway, so not doing the fenders today. Kind of all over the place. Kind of a little bit more of an update video on what you guys. Obviously, the fenders are in, and if for some reason this week I get a notification that my hood is shipped, which I don't even have any indication that it's going to be. I was told another 10 weeks after the original 14-week backlog. If for some reason I get my notification that my hood is shipped, this is going on the back burner for a little bit too, because there's no point in me doing it now and then having to take it off in the future and do it all again, and is get it all lined up once, right? And I don't have to worry about it. As much as I don't want to get another thing PPF right now, it's expensive to get PPF. We won't go into pricing on how much I spent to get this PPF. It's worth it at the end of the day. So, there's that. Anyway, what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to drag you guys along with that. The neighbors, for some reason, is honking their horn. What I'm going to end up doing now, because I got time, obviously, because I'm not doing this today, and it looks like it's going to rain for the rest of the week, and it got very dark very quickly. I'm going to take the fenders inside. Like I said, the other one's downstairs, so I have both of them. I'm going to take it inside, and we're going to ceramic coat the PPF. Obviously, it just makes sense to just ceramic coat the entire car. The rest of my car is ceramic coated. Yeah, this clip's a little bit long. Sorry, guys. One more thing. The TC is definitely staying silver for the rest of the year. Next year, there's big plans, give or take if the hood comes. But yeah, anyway. It got really dark out of nowhere. So let me clean up, put this all away. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.